Okay, so after what happened yesterday, we had to go and check on him.
Hey bro, are you okay?
Hey bro, could you hear us?
I think it's V6 engine,
Bro, what are you saying, bro?
6-cylinder, 60 degrees angle, perfect balance.
What?
Bro got hit so hard, he became the engine.
Bro, why just don't we call the doctor? Or no, just wait, why don't we call the mechanic?
Crankshaft rotating.
Bro got hit by an engine specification now? What's that?
We need to understand it, we need to break it down.
Exploded.
This is our V6 engine model, designed and assembled using SolidWorks. The exploded view provides a clear visualization of the engine's overall structure and the arrangement of its components. In this view, all parts are separated along their assembly paths, allowing us to better understand how each element fits within the system. The engine is composed of several key components, including the engine block, crankshaft, pistons, connecting rods, camshaft, and cylinder head. Each part is carefully designed and positioned to ensure proper alignment and compatibility during assembly. The engine block acts as the main structure, supporting and holding the internal components together. Other elements, such as the pistons and connecting rods, are arranged within the engine in a precise configuration. The cylinder head is placed at the top, enclosing the internal components and completing the engine assembly. Overall, the exploded view offers a detailed and organized representation of the V6 engine structure. In this motion study, we can observe how the V6 engine operates. The crankshaft rotates continuously, driving the movement of the pistons. As the crankshaft turns, the pistons move up and down inside the cylinders. This motion is transferred through the connecting rods, converting linear motion into rotational motion. At the same time, the camshaft controls the timing of the valves, allowing air and fuel to enter and exhaust gases to exit. All components work together in a synchronized manner to ensure smooth and efficient engine operation. This simulation helps us understand the dynamic behavior of the engine and how motion is transferred throughout the system.
يا ابني استنى يا عم انت اقف كده
يلا
صور امشي انت بقى
Okay, so now...
Hey bro, are you okay?
Hey bro, can you...
Hey bro, are you okay?
Okay, we're going now to his bedroom.
Crankshaft is rotating. ما تنجز يا
Bro get
Thank
بس يلا اطلع بره يلا صوت على عشان